Hello Bon Bakers and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious homestyle recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today I have a really fun little treat for you. It's no bake, you can whip it up in no time. We're going to be making Snickers bites, or some people call them Snickers stuffed dates. Pretty much it's peanut butter stuffed in a date covered in chocolate. It's absolutely amazing and makes a really delicious dessert. I also should mention that it's vegan, so my vegan friends can rejoice. So let's get to it. These little babies are called Snickers bites for a reason. They taste like a Snickers. They're absolutely delicious. They've got like a little bit of that bitterness coming through that cuts through that real sweetness of the date, and then that beautiful peanut butter just balances everything out. This is a more vegan, natural way to enjoy something absolutely delicious like a Snickers. This recipe only has 3 ingredients, so let me show you what you are gonna need. We have some dates, and look how absolutely amazing these ones look. These are the biggest ones I can find. They're the Medjool variety. I've also got some peanut butter. This one is a crunchy and dark roasted peanut butter, delicious. And then I have some melted dark chocolate. As always, I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box below for you, and for the full recipe to download and print for free, head to lebonbaker.com. A couple of other things you'll need. One of them is a knife, and this is just to slice open our dates. I've got a couple of little spoons here. I've got this, it's actually called a butter cutter, but we're just gonna use this to drizzle over some of that chocolate, and a plate to put it on. That's about it, guys. First things first, grab a date and we're gonna pit it. Now you might already be able to buy these pre-pitted, and that's great. But if you haven't got them pitted already, we're gonna just do that now. So straight down the middle and open it up. Leave a little bit of the base so it doesn't completely open, and then grab out that center. Now our dates have that clear center for us. Grab a little spoon and start to spoon in some of this peanut butter into those dates. So just put it all through that center. And I think it's okay if it kind of spills out the top. It just looks delicious and rustic. To finish off our lovely little vegan Snickers bites treats here, all we have to do is drizzle chocolate on top. So I'm going to do this now, get that chocolate, give it a mix, and hopefully you can get a bit of a stream happening here with a knife or at the end of a spoon. So if you are struggling a little bit to drizzle that chocolate, all I'm going to do here is pour this chocolate into this bag, and we're going to use it as like a little bit of a piping bag. Scoop this into one corner. Get that all in. Smush down that chocolate. There we go. Twirl your bag around like so. And then I'm just going to cut the tip of it off. And this is not essential, it's just if you're having trouble doing the little drizzle. Got some chocolate. Then you just go back and forth over that date. But this just makes it really easy. And that is literally it. How beautiful do these look? These make a fantastic party treat as well because they're individually sized, and you're gonna get that really rich gooiness coming through from the date. You're gonna get that salty, amazing peanut butter flavor popping through, and then top it off with a bit of dark chocolate. Everyone's gonna be happy, I can guarantee. Should I try one? Yum. Looks good. Wow. These are absolutely amazing. You've got to try them. I know you're gonna love them. And they actually do taste like a Snickers as well. Just a more natural, healthier version. Check it out. You can see this peanut butter just oozing out that center as well. These are absolutely amazing. Such a quick and easy treat as well. I really hope that you guys love and enjoy this recipe and get to make it for yourself, for your family, and for your friends. And if you do like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, LaVonne Baker, for all tips, tricks, and recipes for the home baker. And I have a new video coming out every single week, so hit that bell. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.